As programming students, we love to learn programming from tutorial videos, and already there are a lot of tutorial videos available in the video streaming platforms like YouTube. Shall we talk about the difficulties we face when using them for learning? First one, we often feel the urge to copy the code on the screen and use it, but we cannot do that there. Secondly, when we are in the middle of a video, we would need to see a code segment which is not visible in the current frame. But can we scroll the page for that? No. We have to seek the video to that portion and then have to see it. Then, what if you need to see the code in another file?
We are introducing a new platform called Codio. This is the homepage of our platform. Here you can see plenty of tutorial sessions and you can also filter the sessions according to the tags. Let's play one session by clicking on it. Here you can see a video tutorial where a tutor is explaining some content. It does look like a video where we can see the screen recording. But the difference here is you have the entire code editor and you have all the access. You can run it on the integrated terminal and see the output in real time. Further, you can also scroll the page or navigate to different files while you are playing the session. If you want to get the code as a project, just pause the video and get it. Furthermore, if you want to try out a new different approach, just do it and get the output immediately.